Hey guys, so welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Dashboard and thank you so much for all your love and all your support. For the ones who wants additional services and all that, you can WhatsApp 7892652481. And for the ones who wants to be part of my secret Telegram channel, you can click in the video description, open your account in either in Zerodha, your trading account, or upstox, or else angel broking, any of this, so that you'll be part of my secret Telegram channel only for learning. I never give any buy call or sell call recommendation in any platform, so only for learning purpose you can join. And yes, if you're not yet watched the videos of our channel, please do go watch all the videos if you like. And if you want to be part of this particular trading family of India, you can hit that subscribe button. Alright, so in today's video I just wanted to talk about the risk point. Okay, a very important topic which most of us would have not thought about. So this is more of thinking type of thing, and it is mainly on risk. Okay, so now what do I say? The risk point, understanding the risk point. So this will give you a lot of advantage to avoid those lost trades. Okay, remember this. So the advantage of using this risk points is to avoid those lost trades compared to the ones which you make. Few people say I made big losses, few people are saying I'm getting more of lost trades. So how to avoid? This is one of the step. Okay, it's not that I use this particular strategy, I'm always 100% right. No, these are the factors which we apply and become better by eliminating certain lost trades. Alright, so now if you ask me what is this risk point, okay, basically understanding the risk. Okay, at a point at which what is the risk? At this point is the risk high, is this point is the risk low. Okay, we learn so many technical indicators, analysis and all those things. So when we learn that, always also learn not just buying and selling with the indicator, also understand what is the risk behind that. At this level, what is the risk? Is it low or high? At this level, is it low or high? So if you understand in this way, I think you'll trade better. So I'll just show you a few example how you can think about it. So now most of us would have, for example, this is a Nifty chart, right? Yeah, so this is Nifty chart. So most of us would have used a lot of technical. So let's say if I'm using let's say basic one, RSI. So if you are using RSI, let's say default settings, so I'm just editing this because I always use 70 and 30. Okay, so we will say 70 and 30. So now imagine most of us would have used RSI, and if you ask me what is RSI, you would say overbought, oversold zone. So we buy from here, we sell from here. But also think in a different way. So where is the risk involved here? For example, so you see over here, is my brush on? Yeah. So if you see over here at this particular point, now market opened red. So carefully listen to this, market opened red. So we see a number red over here. So we think, oh, this is the time to sell the stock. So we will as soon as the market starts going down, you will start selling your stock. Okay, whichever stock, let's say top gainer or whichever stock you picked, whichever method you picked, OHL method or something, you will sell over here. But later the market would have recovered a little bit, your stock would have gone upside, ulta, hit your stop loss, or you got panicked and you would have exited. So for example, in RSI, you know that this is where we buy, this is where we sell. From below we buy, from above we sell. That we look in terms of buying and selling perspective. But think of risk perspective. So now before shorting, understanding where is Nifty and my stock, I would have understood I am in the below level. It is oversold. Now if I sell here, the chances are less to further go down. Okay, as per technicals. Always remember, technicals are not 100% right. Because of people's psychology, they fail. The accuracy goes down 80, 60, 50 like that based on different days. But ideally we are expecting it to, this is the oversold zone, right? So this is the oversold zone. Imagine you're selling here. Obviously your RSI will recover and go up at least halfway, full way. So it will recover automatically, your stock will recover, your market will recover. I'm just giving example of Nifty 50. You can apply this on stock. So don't get confused. So you're looking to buy over here, okay? But looking at the market is red and stocks are falling, you will try to sell over here without knowing the risk is high. The risk point, this is the risk point here, it is high if you sell. I would say if you're buying here, at least it is fine. I know the market is negative, you may not go to buy. If you're trading like me against the market, then you would have taken a chances of 0.3% and hit your target. But the chances of selling here is, the risk is high. But imagine, see, now it has gone to overbought zone, it has gone top, see the peak. Now when it is breaking the 70 line, that anyways the market is overall negative, so I prefer to go to negative today. So here you see the chances, the risk is low. See, the risk is high, the risk is low. So this is how you have to think in another way to avoid your loss trades or to reduce your loss. In case from here you did a selling, okay, the stock could have recovered like this. See, it has not gone further upside from here, so no much of profit. Maybe your cost to cost, or it went against and hit your stop loss. Okay, but imagine, you see here you did a sell here. Let's say somewhere this point you did sell. Okay, what is the number there? Around, let's say, 8,100. So it has fallen up to 8,064. 0.3 there only, somewhere you would have hit your target, you would have escaped the situation, right? So always see the risk factor. Don't just see this is buy point, now I'll chumma buy here, now I will just do selling here. No, if you're planning the overall market is red, you want to sell, look where your levels are. The risk is higher here, so I'm not selling, and here the risk is low. Now I will sell because I know that very less chance it's gonna go against me. Okay, very less chance. But normal situation, when RSI corrects itself to down little bit, your market also will go little down. So that is when you hit your target on your stock, or if you're trading in directly index, bank nifty or something like that. Or one more example, let's take any indicator. So you use so many indicators. So whichever indicator you're learning going forward, or which you have learned, analyze the risk. Now I'll show you MACD also. Okay, I'll close this. Now let's say MACD also. In MACD normally we try to, same thing, we try to buy from down or sell from top. So when you know that MACD is down, okay, you see this is a zero line, you see the zero here, right? So it's below the zero line and it has fallen so down. I mean, so many sellers have pushed it so down. You are expecting to get a sell over here. Are you expecting further fall? Maybe lucky that day it fell more, you got your target, but not always, right? So as per technicals, it will cross the zero line. So it crossed your zero line, and from above it has to cross down, right? So this was your sell point. So the risk is low, right? Risk is low in this point. The risk is high in this point. So instead of selling here, I will do the selling here. Now this market was a negative market. Stocks are going down, market is going down. So I'm giving example of sell. Same thing you will apply for buy side. Okay, understanding where the risk is. Don't see buy and sell in that way. After seeing that, just see where the risk is high, where the risk is low. Always try to trade when the risk is low. This will be same. For example, you're trading in, let's say, Heikanasi candle. So you know that when red candle comes, next green candle is gonna come, and then you have to wait for a red candle to come so that you can short over here. Just an example I'm telling you. Maybe this time frame it is having too much of fluctuation. If I increase my time frame, so let's see if any advantage I have. So now whenever there is a red, I know that green will start after some time, so I don't want to take a chance. So I would have waited for the next red. So that's how you wait. So analyzing where the risk is high and where the risk is low is very important. So it can be your super trend, it can be your MACD or RSI like I showed you, anything. Just see where is more risk. Okay, if it is already going red, how much can it go further? Okay, you may add MACD, RSI to know the levels. That is secondary. I'm just telling if you're using one indicator or if you're using multiple indicator also, every indicator's risk you see. In this red, Heikanshi red, whatever is going down, you know that a green is going to start. So when green comes, it can be green continuation. So the levels will change, go opposite to you. So wait for a correction and then you will get a red. So maybe that point is more better than somewhere if you sell here, what if it doesn't go further down? Rather sell here so that it can go at least take 0.3 advantage easily. So this is what I wanted to mention. I know most of you guys would have not thought in this level. When you saw an indicator, you will see like a buy signal, sell signal, not just that. Analyzing the risk in each point, let it be candlesticks or let it be with our indicator, any technical tools you're using, see where there is more risk. Even when choosing a stock, see the risk levels. Okay, so that will definitely eliminate those 1, 2, 3 trades, bad trades of yours. It will eliminate. That's how your accuracy from 60% may go to 65 or 70. Then if you apply many other factors, that's how it goes to 75 to 80. That's how you become careful in the market. That's how we become mature in the market. So I want my audience to start thinking in this way so that we get more mature in trading. So anyways, if you like such video, please do hit that like, and how you guys are supporting, keep supporting. I'm feeling really happy with all those likes and all those share and number of views and watch time. Our channel is spiking really well. So thank you so much for that support, and that is the motivation which is making me to do continuous videos and that happiness in my face. So anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. Please do hit the subscribe. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.